Hi. I want to wish everyone in the town of Saugeen Shores a very happy Easter. Of course, this Easter is going to be very different from any other Easter that we've ever experienced in our community. Instead of gathering in groups in places of worship or with our families, we will be following the advice of public health professionals and staying at home, except for essential reasons. This year, Easter will be about celebrating virtually, connecting with family online or over the phone. And while these are different ways of connecting, they will bring us together nonetheless. And of course, I'm very happy to proclaim the support of the town of Saugeen Shores for the order issued by the Premier of Ontario declaring the Easter Bunny to be an essential worker, so we can all be assured that he will be hopping around our community this Easter weekend. But before the weekend, I want to update you on what's going on in our community and bring you a couple of important messages. First, I want to remind you of some important messages from public health that we've been repeating throughout this pandemic. You must stay home for all but essential reasons. You must avoid non-essential travel into and out of our community and our region. You must wash your hands frequently. You must stay away from other people and practice appropriate physical distancing. And most important of all, you must self-isolate if you're feeling sick at all. Provincial orders issued on the 4th of April have prohibited new short-term rentals in our community. Anyone who owns a cottage is not to rent out those accommodations either privately or through a third-party broker like VRBO or Airbnb. Provincial orders have also closed all seasonal campgrounds and trailer parks for recreational use. And of course, the province has ordered all gatherings of more than 5 people to be prohibited. I remind everyone that the Saugeen Shores Police Service is prepared to enforce all orders by the province, the federal government, and of course, local health officials for the mitigation of COVID-19. If you'd like to report a violation of any of these orders, please don't call 911. Instead, call 519-832-2500 to reach Saugeen Shores Police or call Crime Stoppers. All beaches and some municipal parks are closed at this time, but many green spaces in our parks remain open for walk-through access only. I remind everyone to practice appropriate physical distancing in these spaces. To protect our firefighters from COVID-19 and to help them focus on severe emergencies, there is an ongoing ban on all outdoor fires in the town of Saugeen Shores. The municipal campgrounds in Port Elgin and Southampton are closed, and they are off limits to campers and to the public at this time. And work at the dry dock at the harbor is prohibited, and all municipal boat launches are now closed. I know that these prohibitions are difficult, and that they eliminate many of our community's favorite pastimes and recreational activities. I don't like them any more than you do. But I am absolutely convinced that these measures are necessary to protect each of us and our community from the spread of COVID-19. By obeying the orders of the province and the federal government, and by staying home this weekend, you will save lives. I want to briefly reiterate some of the measures that the town is implementing as we fight COVID-19. In order to help relieve the financial strain that many are feeling, Council has suspended penalties on 2020 property taxes and on water and sewer bills for 90 days past their due dates. To support local businesses, we have created the SaugeenShoresStrong campaign and webpage with information on how the community can help and with examples of how businesses are adapting and innovating to support our community through these difficult times. Saugeen Shores staff are continuing to provide essentials like clean drinking water. They're finding new ways for you to access a number of municipal services, and they are working to maintain the critical infrastructure that we all rely on. And I want to thank them for their continued and essential service. The town is here to answer questions and offer support where we can, and to relay accurate information throughout this pandemic. To see the latest on what's happening in town, visit our website, SaugeenShores.ca/COVID-19. To conclude, I would like to encourage everyone in the community to reach out and support one another during this Easter weekend. A holiday spent in isolation will be difficult for many. A phone call from you may be all it takes to brighten someone's day and relieve some of their stress. This Easter, let's stay home. Let's stay home so that we can stay healthy enough to celebrate many Easters to come. Thank you, and happy Easter.